Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we will understand how to send WooCommerce order confirmation SMS using KrispCall. So here my objective is that whenever a customer is going to place an order on my WooCommerce store, then I want to send an order confirmation SMS to that customer. So here to do this, I need to set up a connection between these two applications, for which I'm going to use this amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect follows the concept of trigger and action. So here to do this, my trigger application will be WooCommerce and my action application will be KrispCall. So if you want to learn more about this, follow me through the screen. In this video, we will understand how to send WooCommerce order confirmation SMS using KrispCall. So here my objective is that whenever a new order will be created on my WooCommerce store, then I want to send a SMS to that customer regarding the order confirmation. So now to automate this entire process, I'm going to use this amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect, and over here is the landing page. So in order to reach here, you just have to type in pabbly.com/connect in your browser. Here you can see I've got two options. One is of sign in and the other one is of sign up for free. So if you're an existing user, you can simply sign in. But if you're a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button, and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. So now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard. And now in order to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as send WooCommerce order confirmation SMS using KrispCall. On my left hand side, you can see that these are the folders that I've created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as WooCommerce to KrispCall automation. And now here I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. So basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow, you can only have one trigger but multiple action applications. So now moving to my use case, that is to send WooCommerce order confirmation SMS using KrispCall. So now to begin with this automation, I will go to my trigger window, and over here I'm going to search for WooCommerce as my trigger application. So over here the trigger event will be new order created. So this will trigger whenever a new order will be created in my WooCommerce store. Now moving to the action window, as by using KrispCall, I want to send an order confirmation SMS. So over here KrispCall will be my action application and the action event will be to send an SMS. So as you can see that I have selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. So now to begin with this automation, firstly I need to establish a connection between WooCommerce and Pabbly Connect. So as we know that WooCommerce is a plugin of WordPress, so I will take you to my WordPress account. So over here under WooCommerce, I will go to settings, and over here in settings, I will go to advanced. So over here under advanced, I will go to webhooks. So now here under webhooks, we are going to create a new webhook for order creation. So over here, I'm going to give the name as WooCommerce order. I'm going to keep the status as active. Here the topic will be order created. So from the drop down, I'm going to select the topic. Now moving to the delivery URL field. So from Pabbly Connect, I'm going to copy the webhook URL, and over here, I'm going to paste it. So once I've done that, here I'm going to click on Save Webhook. So as I did that, here you can see the webhook updated successfully. That means I've successfully added a webhook inside WooCommerce. That means now whenever a new order will be created, then automatically the details of that order will be sent to Pabbly Connect. So now taking you back to Pabbly Connect, here you can see that I have received a response, and over here this is a test response. So I'm going to recapture the webhook response, and now over here you can see it says waiting for webhook response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So now to do a test submission, I'm going to take you to my WooCommerce store. So this here is my WooCommerce store, and I'm going to create an order for this product, that is blue round neck t-shirt. So over here, I will go to add to cart, as this t-shirt retails of 2100 and only I'm going to order for one quantity. So I'm going to click to add to cart. So over here, these are my shipping details. I'm going to click on proceed to checkout. And these are my billing details as well. So as I've filled in all of these details, here I'm going to place an order. So the method of the payment is cash on delivery. So over here, I'm going to place an order for this product. So here I will click on place order. Thank you, your order has been received. That means I've successfully placed an order for this product, that was the blue round neck t-shirt. Here you can see the quantity, here's the amount that has to be paid. You can see the payment method as well, and here are the billing and the shipping address details. So that means this new order which I have created, so the details of this order would have been sent to Pabbly Connect. So now I'm going to take you to Pabbly Connect, and here you can see that I have received the response. So here in the response received, you can see the amount that was of 2100. Scrolling down with the other details, over here you can see the shipping details. You can see the state, here you can see the postcode, you can see the last name, first name, country and the company along with the address details. And over here is the payment URL that we have got in the response, and you can see the payment title as well, that was cash on delivery. So over here in Pabbly Connect, we have successfully received the details of the new order that was just placed through my WooCommerce store. So here in the response received, I've got the shipping and the billing details along with the product that was purchased, that was a blue round neck t-shirt. So over here in Pabbly Connect, I have successfully got the details of the new order that has been placed. So the first objective of this automation is setup. Now whenever a new order will be created in my WooCommerce store, then automatically the details of that order will be captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So as I've got the new order details, now by using these details, I want to send an order confirmation SMS to the customer. So I'm going to send an SMS by using KrispCall. So here to do that, I need to set up a connection between KrispCall and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. So now in order to add a new connection, for that I'm going to take you to my KrispCall account. Over here I will go to settings. Now I will go to developer. So over here is the API key and the secret key. So I'm going to copy both of these keys and I'm going to paste it over here in Pabbly Connect and then click on save. So here I'm going to click on save. So over here you can see that KrispCall and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So this here's the from number, that means the number from where the message will be sent. So now over here to mention the phone number, I'm going to use a method that is called as mapping. So basically mapping means to insert the data from previous step. So as I've received the phone number of the customer from WooCommerce, so that is why over here in this field I've mapped it. So now moving to the message. Here I need to frame the message that I want to send. So as I want to send an order confirmation SMS, so I'm going to frame the message in this field. So this here is the message that I've framed. So after hello, I want to mention the name of the customer. So over here I'm going to map the first name, that was latest. And now I'm going to map the last name as well. So I'm just going to remove this and I'm going to map the last name, that was user. So this here is the last name and I've mapped it. So now moving to these details of the email, address and city, payment method. So again from the response received, I'm going to map the email. So this over here is the email address. Now moving to the address and the city part. So over here I need to map the address of the customer. So over here is the first line of the address, that is 12 New Street. And now over here I'm going to mention the second line of the address. Once I've done that, I'm going to put a comma and now I'm going to map the city. So over here, I'm going to search for the city and this here's the city and I've mapped it. So now moving to the payment method. So over here, as the payment method was of cash on delivery, so I'm going to map it. So now moving to the product and price. So over here, I'm going to map the product, that was blue round neck t-shirt. And now I'm just going to put a hyphen and over here, I'm going to map the price. So as the price was of 2100 rupees, so over here, I'm going to map it. So as you can see that in these fields, I have mapped the details. So basically this method of mapping is important so that every time you're going to receive a new response, so that response could be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information could have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So over here, as I've mapped the details, now I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. And over here, you can see that this here is a positive response. So over here in the response, you can see the content. So that means a message has been successfully sent to the customer about the order confirmation. And over here are the details. So that means our SMS has been successfully sent. So now I'm going to show you the SMS as well. So over here you can see that this here is the SMS that has been sent to the customer. So over here you can see the details that which we have mapped in the message has been sent successfully. So that means an order confirmation SMS has been successfully sent to the customer through KrispCall. So this automation was a successful one. Now whenever a new order will be created in my WooCommerce store, then automatically by using KrispCall, an order confirmation SMS will be sent to the customer. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications and create amazing automations by using Pabbly Connect. So you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write us to https://forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing related issues, you can visit this link. So you can create a lot more automations by using Pabbly Connect, and don't forget to share these videos with your friends, colleagues. Subscribe to our channel for more.